Hey YouTube family, welcome back to Susan's Kitchen. Today we have a special treat for you as we explore the rich and aromatic flavor of Kashmir with a delicious Kashmiri style fish recipe. This recipe combines tender fish with a blend of aromatic spices and deliciousness of fresh vegetables. It is a healthy and mouth-watering dish that you can easily prepare at home. So, let's dive right in. Here we have a beautiful wallow leg fish. Make sure your fish is as fresh as possible as this will greatly affect the flavor of your final dish. So I asked my fishmonger to help me in cleaning this. First she opened up the belly and make a shallow cut along the belly. Then she gently scrape the scales of the fish, moving from tail to head. So guys, be sure to get both sides and the edges. Then she reached into the cavity and removed the guts and organs. You can use your finger for this. Make sure to get everything out. After that, rinse the fish thoroughly inside and out to remove debris and blood. Now give the fish another good rinse to remove any remaining debris. And there you have it. That is how you clean a whole fish. Don't worry, it may seem intimidating at first, but with a little practice, you will become a pro in no time.
Now don't tell me you didn't clean it by yourself.
Now we are ready to prepare this beautiful fish. Cut the fish using a sharp knife, but be careful. Season the fish generously with salt and turmeric. Now let us keep it like this for about 30 minutes so that it dries up and the salt goes inside it. It's time for the magic to happen. We are going to fry them. So heat up a generous amount of vegetable oil in your frying pan. We need enough oil to submerge the fish partially. Carefully place your seasoned fish into the hot oil. Be gentle when flipping the fish to avoid breaking it. Let the fish fry until it turns golden brown and crispy. Our whole fish is now beautifully fried. Now, gently lift the fish out of the oil. So here is a perfectly fried whole fish that is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Now, the most crucial and important step in our recipe is cooking the fish with vegetables. We will cook the fish with vegetables layer by layer. You can use your favorite vegetables for this. And I will demonstrate all the steps to you so that when you make this recipe, you can easily follow along. To give this recipe a Kashmiri traditional touch, I will cook this recipe over an open fire today. Now I am gonna add some spices in it. First I am using homemade fennel seeds, cinnamon, green cardamom, black pepper, turmeric, salt, Kashmiri red chilies, and for this traditional recipe I am using homemade mustard oil. The amount of water will depend on how many vegetables you have taken. You should add water accordingly. Now we will seal it with aluminum foil. Cooking fish over an open fire has a unique and special flavor. And in between, you can keep an eye on the fish to ensure there is enough water, being careful not to let it burn. It is a hands-on process that requires your attention and adjust the fire's intensity as needed. So, let us check whether our fish is ready or not. Wow, as you can see, this looks incredibly delicious. So, let us set it aside to cool down because fish tastes amazing when it is cold. Then, after it has cooled down, we will proceed to serve it. So today we prepared a delightful Kashmiri style fish recipe that is bursting with flavors, from the aromatic spices to the tender fish cooked to perfection. This dish truly captures the essence of Kashmiri cuisine. I hope you enjoy making this dish as much as I did. If you found this recipe helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today and happy cooking.